Hi everyone, this is Vaibhav. Since Chaya is not here, I'll be introducing the show. This is the second episode of BC Webwise on FWA, and with me is Shrikant. Shrikant, say hi.
Hey, what's up?
And we'll be introducing everyone, and let's see what everything what does the office look like. Okay, let's go. This is Michelle.
Michelle, hi.
And Michelle, what are you doing here?
The reception.
Yeah, but this is not reception.
No, this is not reception. My reception is in the front. So I handle the reception.
Okay, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
And Amrita.
Hi.
Amrita, wait.
Yeah.
Okay. And Amrita, what do you do here?
I am Chaya's assistant and I look after everything of Chaya's, from official to personal, everything.
To her food.
To our food as well, yes.
Okay. Cool. And then we go in to meet Mangesh, who heads art and design. Mangesh, what is this? What's this? What's the panda thing? Can you tell us more about it?
This is artworks I love, and that's why I pasted here.
And this is Bishum, right? So
That's my Twitter handle. If you want to follow me, follow me.
Let me just focus on that. So Bishum, so follow him on Twitter. And what are you doing right now?
Watching the FWA.tv.
Watching FWA.tv. So you are seeing yourself on TV while being filmed. This is like Inception.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. So now we go into the other cabin. What do you do here? There's no one in it.
No.
So Jaya, who heads our business, is not in. So we head to the other cabin.
Hey, what's up?
Elston. This is my co-host Elston.
Hey, what's up again?
Not the good-looking guy. The good-looking guy is in the back.
Hey guys,
This is Randall. Randall, what do you do?
I'm in the sales team. This is the business development room here, and yeah, this is the start of the day right now.
Yeah,
Just
it's
going through mails and
11:30.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay, Elston, tell me something about yourself, which is,
With regards to BC Webwise or just myself?
with regards to BC Webwise.
With regards to BC Webwise, what I do, what I do here is work on a couple of costings, negotiate that, get the best deals possible. And currently we've got a new brief, so I'm working on that, brainstorming on that. So let's see how it goes.
Hardcore, man.
Thank you.
That's seriously. But what is this? It says business development.
That's where you are, business development room.
Say hi to FWA.
Sorry?
Say hi to FWA.
Hi FWA, what's up?
Hello.
Okay. And now, me and Shrikant, we move on to something else. Let's see where we go to. Where do we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
थोड़ी देर में मैं तुझसे बात कर रहा था, वो दिखाई देगा. हाँ, अभी देख.
And we're going. And now we are in
Hello.
finance, and that's, what's your name?
Asha.
Asha. What
I'm
do you do
managing
here?
finance here.
Yeah?
So
Show me
please
the
come
money.
in to check out some money.
Do you actually have cash? So that would be great. Can you show that here? Wow.
For sure, it's on paper. It's online. Everything online.
Is everything online?
Yeah.
And who is this gentleman who works with you? Where is he?
He's disappeared. I guess he's shy of cameras. Just call him.
Sattu, come on camera.
Hi,
Wait, yeah. This is, introduce yourself.
I'm Satish, assisting Asha over here.
Yeah. And you handle money as well?
Yes, cash is implement, man.
Wow, so super. Why don't you take a seat? Sit down. And tell us more how does the whole finance thing work? Like we went to business development, we went to Mangesh and all that. They told us. So yeah, how does this thing work? In one line.
We believe in collecting cash only. So there is no payments, nothing. We just accumulate cash. That's the definition of finance here.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Say hi to everyone.
Hello, bye-bye.
And now me and Shrikant will go into the SEO room where we'll meet the Vishal Agrahari, the man, and he's already excited.
Hi.
Wait. Let me just bring the camera down. Let's go down. Yeah, Vishal.
Hi guys.
What's up? Tell me about yourself.
I'm Vishal Agrahari. I handling your search department in BCFI. I'm working here for last 1 year.
Yeah.
That's it. Just myself.
And how much is that gold chain costing?
It's around, I think the current price is 22-23k Indian birr. And you want me?
No,
Please.
nothing. No, this is not even Vishal.
I thought I could sell it.
Okay, cool. And then we meet Alfred. Alfred,
Hi.
so this is your second time on FWA TV. The first time you were wearing a wig, right?
I'm missing it.
This time.
You're missing it.
Yeah.
So what's up? What do you do here?
Handle media.
And the media
I'm
and...
the one who kill your creatives.
Oh, you're the one who kills the creative.
Yeah.
Wow.
You guys make radio
And
as if there's no media to support it. And when it comes to media, the whole thing has to be adjusted to media. So I think that the killer point goes when it comes to media. So I kill that creative.
So Alfred, let me just tell you that me and Shrikant, are quite fond of Alfred because he's a part of a lot of inside jokes in the office. And he's one of the most popular guys in office.
Yes,
So Alfred, what do you have to say about that? Like, tell us anything. Tell us about your multiple girlfriends in college.
or tell us what your nickname is around office.
Okay, my nickname in office is Cobra.
Cobra.
Cobra. Why do they call you Cobra? Is that, are you vicious? Like, do you bite people or what?
No, my bite is fun. So
Your bite is fun.
so people like me better. So
Yeah,
they
do that
call-
Cobra thing, Alfred. No, do that. Very nice.
Like that.
Yeah.
Funny.
Oh,
Wow, that's quite vicious. And then we move on to the other guy.
Yeah,
Azhar.
Azhar.
Is it? Wait. Yeah. Azhar. What's up?
Yes, I'm SA executive over here under Vishal management.
Yeah. And how long have you been working here?
Past 8 or 9 months.
What happened to your hand? Show us your hand.
It's only
Actually,
because
show
of
us your hand.
cricket. I'm the fan of cricket.
You have what is this? Tennis elbow or something?
No, it's
No. Bone shipping. What happened exactly?
it's a little bit cracked inside, so that doctor told me to put for 1 month this plaster.
Oh, okay. And I hope you get well soon.
12 to 15 days.
Yeah. And now we move on to...
myself Prasad Pillai.
Prasad, dhire in Hindi means slow.
Yeah, okay, fine. We have
So let me just adjust you in the frame. Prasad, tell me.
I'm myself Prasad Pillai. I'm the senior SEO working in BC Advice. I'm looking after all the off-page activity, link building activity for all the clients. And that's all.
And your t-shirt says,
Yeah.
free sleep early. When you sleep in office?
Yeah, always.
Okay, cool. And Azhar and Prasad, let me say hi to everyone at FWA.
Hi, hello.
Azhar with that hand, the plastered hand.
Hi, Kilograd.
My hand is like
Sunny Deol.
Cool, thank you guys. And now, me and Shrikant will move on to, where do we go? HR? Yeah, Monica, who makes all this possible. Let's go. Wait. Monica,
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
introduce yourself.
I am Monica. I take care of admin in HR.
And come on. She's at a loss for words here.
And her laugh we should point out that her laughter is the most infectious thing ever.
And you have still how many people?
I think at least 70 till now.
Okay.
So Monica, what do you do? Like HR, we all know you work in HR. So what do you do? Do you interview people?
Yes.
Do you handle everything in office
Yes.
and all that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what are you reading right now? Are you reading some sort of resume or something?
No, I am not reading a resume. It's something about logistics. So and logistics too.
Oh, okay. And then we move on to Rishikesh, who is a tech guy, and then he makes this possible. We are using his webcam and his not my and his system, to make all this possible. And so Rishikesh, tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm system administrator. I'm looking the systems as well as the network. It's my cabin and wiring also.
Wow, that's quite hard to. So what are you doing right now? Are you chatting to someone? Watching movies? What?
Watching FWA TV and trying to connect another office also.
Wow, so where do we go from here? We go to the CS team.
Yeah, let's head over to CS.
And after the CS team, we'll go to switch on to Delhi office?
No.
Then?
Animation.
Animation.
Oh,
Okay, so we'll go outside and we'll do that.
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going. And this is the CS team. And
Excuse me.
this is Malika.
Hello.
Hey Malika, what's up?
Hi, Rebel.
And tell her say hi to Shrikant too.
Hello, Shrikant.
Hi. Say hi to all the people watching.
Hey, hi, people.
So Malika, you seem happy because today is Friday, right?
Yes, I am very excited.
Yeah. What's your weekend plan?
I'll be going somewhere, and I'm not going to disclose that.
Because people from FW will follow you.
I'm afraid they will. Anyway.
Oh wow! Now you remove your glasses. And then we move on to other guy, whose name is hey other guy, what's your name? Wait, let me adjust you in a frame. Yeah, so tell me your name. Yuvraj, what do you do?
I work.
Are you new?
Yeah.
You've been dragged?
Thankfully not.
Why?
Thanks to you all now.
Okay, so he's a new guy and we need to drag him. So cool. So how long you've been working here?
Just about to complete a month now.
And how is the experience been like?
Good up till now.
I like your sarcasm. Hello miss, what's your name?
Hi, Sai.
Sai versus Sai. Are you new? Are you
Yes.
new? How long?
Around 4 days.
And how's your experience? Is just like Yuvraj, good, bad?
It's really great.
It's real great.
Yeah.
Wow, give it another 2 months. We move on to hello miss. Miss
Hi,
Shaista. You've seen her dancing in the first episode.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
Are you gonna dance for us again?
No, not today.
Not today. This headband is nice. You know?
Okay, should I give a headband?
No.
Then no dancing.
You seem busy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It seems a busy day.
Yeah. I'll leave back to your work and then we move on to Dheera.
Hello.
What's
up?
Hi.
Are you nervous, Dheera?
Are you making me nervous?
Are you waiting for us to ask you questions?
Yes, I am waiting for you.
What should we ask you? Okay, cool. What are your weekend plans? Since Malika is not disclosing her weekend plan.
Okay. So spa is definitely on the list and lots of chilling and lots of sleep.
Oh wow. That's great. So yeah. So by the way, say hi to everyone at FWA.
Yes. Hi, have fun guys. Have a good weekend.
And then
Bye.
Okay, bye. And then me and Shrikant will move on to some other place. Where do we go? Design room?
Design room, yeah.
Design
That's
room.
what
Okay. I hope you find some interesting people there. Yeah.
I'm sure we will.
There's
Hello, designers.
Hi.
there's Anita. Anita, what's up?
Nothing, just doing some work.
What work are you doing?
Checking my mails.
And?
Yeah, checking my mails, responding to them.
Wow, are you nervous in front of camera?
Very nervous. This is my first interview.
No, you were there last time, right?
Yeah, but it was very short.
It was very short.
Yeah.
Okay. We move on to Ballu designer.
Hi.
What's up? कैसा है तू? ठीक है. काम कैसे चल रहा है? वीकेंड लगा करते हो तू? Photography. Ballu has a quite an expensive camera. Can you tell us about it?
Which camera do you
Which
want?
camera?
Canon 550D.
And how much does it cost?
38.
Wow. So do you like taking pictures? Yeah? And Ballu is a designer. Say Ballu, say hi.
Hi.
No, say hi.
Hi.
Go to the camera. Yeah, that's manly enough. We move on to Shetty.
Vishal Shetty.
Vishal Shetty. And what is that thing on your screen?
No comments.
What is that? What is that? Come on, show us.
Show us that photo.
Sure.
What are you looking at?
What is this? Wow. Toy design.
Yes, it's the toy design site. We got it from this Twitter. The Behance tweet this.
Okay.
I'm checking.
Yeah. Everyone is so nervous. I hope Helena is not. Helena?
I'm very nervous. I've been told not to come on TV today because actually I was on TV many times.
Who told you that?
Hi.
Who told you that? So, wow. So
I'm playing Angry Birds right now. I'm
super.
trying to keep my
I
own
know
score.
today is Friday, but yeah.
Yeah.
What level are you on?
I'm actually I've completed all the levels. I'm playing again. I'm trying to get 3 stars in all the levels.
Oh wow. All the best.
Thank you.
Twice.
Twice? No. Raghu.
Hi.
What's up? What are you doing? Are you playing Angry Birds as well? What is that?
No, I'm just.
He's trying to promote his
Yeah.
Twitter account. Everyone follow him on Twitter.
Yeah.
Your part is over. Thank you. So, Raghu.
Yeah, just freshening up my mind and trying new color combinations and all. Just that's it.
So what's the weekend plan? What are you doing on weekend?
And I'll be sleeping most of the time.
No, basically, what is it?
Because I work at night and I like to work at night. It's so peaceful. So I'll be sleeping most. Like on Sunday and Saturday I'll be sleeping.
Hopefully alone. So this is Amar.
Hi.
Amar, what's up? Amar Singh Bhagat, right?
Yes. Fine. I'm fine.
Are you fine?
Show us your desktop. I think you had something on your desktop for us.
Nothing. Actually, it's just a follow us on.
So follow him. It says follow me on Twitter, Amar Singh Bhagat. So guys, please follow him and make sure you are his tweets and all that. So you also come on, but Amar say first. Now Raghu says he also wants to show that his Twitter ID. I don't know how clear is it.
It's not clear.
Okay, we got it. It says follow me on Twitter, Raghu Kamal. So yeah, follow Raghu, follow Amar, and follow BC Webwise too. And here's Naeem.
So, okay, Naeem, you've been on TV last time also.
Yes.
So, what new do you have to add? What do you want to show us this time?
This one.
What is that?
Kufu Panda is running.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Show us once again. Super.
Damn cool.
Very good. Get it from
Train.
From the train.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. For how much did you get it?
It's 10 bucks.
10 rupees.
Yeah.
10 rupees.
Yeah.
10 rupees is wow. And then you say like follow me. Atanki.
Yes.
Atanki. Wow. So everyone here is asking them to follow on Twitter, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So how often do you tweet?
Daily 1 tweet or 2 tweets. For design they are
recession.
no. See this one, my area.
Yeah. Okay, tell us something about...
I love fashion, movies, car, game, music, calligraphy, porn.
This is your picture, right? This is your picture with...
the Mangesh, the creative director.
This is your picture with Mangesh.
Right.
When was this and when was this taken?
It's taken at Devlali. It's in Kudal, in Maharashtra.
And when was this taken?
Last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
So what's your first memory of this picture? क्या याद आता है ये picture देख के?
Friendship.
Friendship?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing like gay or party.
Yes,
friendship only.
Okay, cool. And then we move
I love Salman Khan.
You like Salman Khan?
Yeah, man.
But does Salman Khan like you?
No.
This is quite an old picture of Salman Khan from Maine Pyar Kiya, right?
Yeah, no, I think so. It's Dilwale Dulhaniya. That time, I think so.
Dilwale Dulhaniya had Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, Naeem is a bit confused, I guess.
Naeem. So this is Naeem's desk. And
this whole is my area. Full part.
This is full your area?
Yeah, man.
Wow. And then Varsha. Ingewa.
What?
This is Varsha. We missed her on the CA because she wasn't there. And she was probably on a con call or something. Varsha, what's up?
Good, yeah. CAs are not supposed to sit on the seat, no?
Yeah. So when is the last day, Varsha?
Okay, my last day is still time, okay?
Oh.
Don't talk about my last day.
Come on, tell us, what's the date? No?
The date is 31st. No, 15th August, Independence Day.
Oh, there's still time and all that.
Yeah.
So what's up? What's up with these horns?
These are CS horns, okay?
Yes, CS
They are
horns.
cute, sweet CS.
Okay, and what's your weekend plan? We've been asking this question to everyone because we've been running out of topics to talk about.
My weekend plan will be to run out somewhere.
Run off somewhere? To where? Some nearby, like Lonavala, Khandala?
Lonavala, Khandala types. Yeah.
Okay.
A nice drive.
Say hi to everyone at FWA.
Hello, people.
And this is the sticker.
This is a sticker that we earned because we won the FWA site of the day for a website we created last year. If you head over to the FWA website, you can check it up over there. Pretty cool website. And the guys in this room and the other guys, the tech guys, all of them earned it. So I think they all deserve a round of applause.
And now, me and Shrikant will move on to meet Chaya. Chaya has come, right?
Yeah,
okay,
Chaya is
cool.
in office.
And as we come along, this is Chaya. Let me position the camera. Hello, Chaya.
Hi.
Let me just enter your cabin and then...
Enter with caution.
Yeah.
That's a bomb.
And Chaya, what's up? You're making me host the show, Chaya.
Yeah, like this is like a trick so that I can sit and watch us live on FWA TV. Otherwise, I'll be behind the camera and I won't get to see the fun.
Chaya,
But I must tell you, both of you are doing a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I don't think I need to host it again unless in case of an emergency. So it's pretty good. So you all have covered the entire office till now? Or?
Yeah, we've covered CS, we covered design, we covered BD, we covered finance, SEO, and design also. Yeah.
Okay.
So next we're trying to go to
animation studio. So at that time, are we going to break? Will one of you go over there? The camera there?
I don't know. We'll have to ask Rushi. So I think we'll break and then we'll go there.
Okay. So you want to see some stuff in my cabin?
Yeah. I mean, there's plenty of stuff.
Yeah,
so
there's lots of birthday wishes.
Can you explain?
Yeah. Like this is a birthday wish with.
Wait. Let me position the camera.
This has got everybody's names on it. This is created by Mangesh, our current creative director. This is another birthday wish. I'm not sure who exactly from the team has done this. This is another birthday wish.
Wow.
These are all of the various
how
birthdays that I've had. Yeah, so I'll tell you exactly how many years old I am. So this is on my first birthday, second birthday, third birthday, Fourth birthday is here.
Fourth birthday is here.
Can you get that? Oops.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's me. This is me. Okay, and here's the 6th birthday. Can you get this? Yeah, so like I'm sort of now 6 years old. This means.
Oh, wow, cool. You can finally go to school then.
Yeah, I can. This is my son, who's actually really 6.5.
Wait. Which one? Which picture should we focus on?
Yeah, this one. This is like Elvis, so this is good. I'll just take it near the camera. So this is Elvis. His name is Joshua.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll try my best to get him on one of the telecasts next because he wants to give an interview about BC Webwise and what he thinks about our agency. He is 6.5 years old. So yeah, he was very disappointed he missed the last 3 days. So I hope to get him the next time.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, these are all the elephant-headed god called Ganesha that everybody in India, most people follow in India, and these are all mostly gifts that I got. Though I don't really collect them, somebody assumed I collect them, and so I sort of got lots of them as gifts.
And what is Bill Gates doing here?
Yeah. So like I do sort of think that he's one of the most successful businessmen. And this is a poster that we had done when he was in India. So it's here, and it's also here because Microsoft is one of the biggest success stories as a company. So it's inspiring to have that poster over here on my desktop.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
And I see you have a very, very sexy MacBook Pro. I must say that this MacBook Pro has fallen several times. Still works. Even this monitor currently is actually sort of damaged. It doesn't really, it's fallen and it's dented, so it doesn't close properly. You won't be able to see that, but it still works, so I'm happy about that. Yeah. When are you buying an iPad?
When am I buying an iPad? I'm not sure I'll buy one because I don't think I need one. Okay, I'll also show you this sort of Unselfish Notes diary that we created. Can you see that?
Just let me focus on that. Yeah.
This is the BC Webwise diary that we created, and it's got like some really great artwork created by the ex-members of. Can you sort of can you get that?
As well.
So like some really great artwork by ex-employees, ex-creative people from BC Webwise. So we got all of them together to do this great stuff for us.
This bad lighting.
You can't get that, right? So I won't waste my time showing this. So happy walking through the office, and this is me. Can you get that?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
When was this created?
When I was at the beach. Yeah. Okay, about a year back.
Oh, okay. So Chaya, are you going to come with us to host?
Why do you want me to?
Okay, we'll do the animation part, and
I'll take you to the other office. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. I'll introduce you to the production center. I'll take you around the production center.
Okay, cool. So, me and Shrikant, we are gonna head over to the animation. Now we're gonna break, and then the next footage you'll see is directly of the animation team.
You wanna head over to the pantry? Say hello to the boys there.
Yeah.
Let's go there for a quick.
Yeah. Let's go, and then food for thought. And
we met someone on the way here.
Hi.
This is Arun. Arun helps out. Arun Boyer. He helps out around the office, and he's a pretty cool guy. And this is one of the Say hi. Yeah. And this is one of the very few times you'll see Anil smiling. Oh, I'm sorry. Arun smiling, because Arun doesn't smile a lot. And smile, big smile. Say hi to FWA.
Hi, FWA.
Yeah. Cool.
Bye.
And Michelle, she wants to
I've already spoken.
Okay. And what is bulb? Oh, close that door.
The bulb is too bright. Pointed.
Which one? The bulb is too bright. Now can you focus?
Yeah.
Vikas Paradkar.
Vikas थोडं मागे जा तुम्ही. हा 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 ओके. काय नाव तुमचं?
विकास पराडकर.
आणि काय करता तुम्ही?
पिऊन टाईप काम करतं.
हा हा. किती वर्षापासून आहे तिथं?
ते मला 6 वर्ष झाली.
6 वर्ष झाले. And for those who can't understand Marathi, which is a local dialect, his name is Vikas and he's been working here for 6 months. And he makes tea for us. And
he's been working here for 6 years.
Yeah.
Not 6 months.
Oh,
6
6
years.
6 years, I'm so sorry.
And Vikas
shouldn't have got done this morning.
And Vikas helps us out a lot because he makes tea for us. And whenever we need anything, he'll make it for us. And he just keeps us healthy all the time. So
yeah. And who is this gentleman?
This gentleman here,
Anil Tiwari.
Anil Tiwari. That's
अपने आप के बारे में कुछ बताओ अनिल जी.
सर मैं अभी अपने बारे में क्या बताऊं?
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ कैमरा में. हाँ हाँ हाँ. बताओ कुछ भी बताओ यार. आप क्रिकेट देखते हो, आप फिल्में देखते हो, क्या है आपका शौक वगैरह क्या है?
सर मुझे मूवी देखने का बहुत शौक रहता है.
हाँ हाँ. कौन सा पिक्चर देखा आपने?
और मैं तो सर अपना भोजपुरी मूवी हमेशा देखने का कोशिश करता हूँ.
हाँ हाँ.
और अभी कल तैयारी फिर से बना रहा हूँ.
कौन सा पिक्चर अभी?
कल से तो अपना एक मूवी आया है सत्यमेव जयते.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वही सर मैं कल देखने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
उसमें कौन है? रवि किशन है?
रवि किशन एंड मनोज तिवारी.
अरे दोनों. तो सलमान खान शाहरुख खान जैसा हो गया रे. हाँ. आपकी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड है या नहीं?
सर नहीं, मैं तो शादीशुदा इंसान हूँ अभी.
आप शादीशुदा है?
Okay, Anil is telling us that he's married and he likes Bhojpuri movies a lot, and he's planning to watch a Bhojpuri movie tomorrow at a cinema near him. So let's go to
there's someone at the copy room. Yeah. And this is Shrikant's desktop.
Yes, this is my desktop, and that right there is Miranda Kerr. And in case you don't know who Miranda Kerr is, she is a very hot.
Don't add me on Facebook.
She's a very hot supermodel, and I really like her. And I think she's pretty awesome, so I have her on my desktop all day now.
And what does this mean? What was this?
Okay, this right here.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it.
Wait. I'll just come. Yeah.
Okay, this right here is a bit of calligraphy done by Mangesh, our creative director for me. He wrote my name in Marathi, and which is pretty similar to Hindi, and this spells out my name actually.
Yeah. So
I like it. I like to keep it at my desk because it's a good gift.
So. Oh, okay. And this is this is my computer. As you see, there's nothing on it.
Vaibhav is enjoying his Friday, so there's not a lot on his computer right now.
Yeah, and this is my bag, and this is Nicole's computer. Nicole he works with us in the copy team. She's a copywriter, and she's enjoying her holidays. She's gone to Mussoorie and Rishikesh, and she's backpacking, and she's basically making us all jealous.
Yes.
While we are working on a Friday, and we can't wait for this day to end. So, Shrikant, where do we go now? Where do we go?
I think we'll have to cut now to the animation room and say hello to the animators out there.
Okay.
So, let's ask Rishikesh.
Yeah, let's ask Rishikesh to cut this. And then the next thing you'll see, Rishikesh.
And he's busy on the phone.
Rishikesh phone home. How do we cut this? How do we cut this and then head over to the animation department? Just disconnect.
Hi, I am Bhavik and I'll take you to another office of the BC Webs. Okay, let's go. And this is my scripting room, and yes,
Hi.
this is another office of the BC Webs, and I'll take you to this. And let's start with the scripting room. This is Dharmendra. Okay, Dharmendra, what are you doing right now?
Actually, I am making a video software which loads the video from YouTube. Basically, I'm a scripter here plus developer. So just doing the stuff, moving here and there.
Okay, great. Okay, Shaya will go to the HTML team, and let's see what these people are doing right now. Okay, this is Amit Nanche. Hi Nanche.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, this is HTML team, and I think Nanche is planning to move out of station today. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you planning to go right now?
Goa.
Okay, have a great time. Okay.
Saying Goa as if he's like going to not enjoy himself, but so can you just?
It's like a punishment, I think. Yeah? Is it? No?
That's like the animation team room plus.
It's typical.
Pirates of the BC website.
Oh my God, who is this? Okay, oh, this is Ravish, Ravishing Ravish.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. And the angry young man, and I would like that you please. And okay, here is Shushil. Okay, hi Shushil.
Hi.
Okay, he's a very good HTMLizer, and so how do you feel working here? Great. Okay, thanks. Yeah. okay.
And here is the team head for us to be on FWA.
Scripting team, and I can see some calligraphy here written Shailendra. Is this calligraphy done by you?
No, not done by me.
Not done by me. Okay, so what are your plans in this weekend?
This weekend.
Okay, he's saying that this weekend he is planning to spend some time with the creative director Mangesh.
1 minute. Okay, but are you all still celebrating Christmas over here? I mean, like, or Diwali? What's happening here? Or is it just sheer laziness to remove the decorations from last December?
I think so.
Okay, this is the technical team, Ramesh.
Hi.
And,
Hi Ramesh. Hi.
Okay, so how are you?
Fine.
Okay, are you working something on?
Yeah, I'm doing game.
Sorry?
Game framework.
Framework.
Yeah.
Okay, he's a very good programmer.
Very good
and
programmer.
and
And a dancer.
dancer. Okay, so come on. I think we should learn some 2 to 3 steps from you right now.
You can go inside with that section you got it?
No, we are going right now. Okay, and this is the another office. Another room where HTML people are sitting here. This is Amit Vishay.
Hello. Hi Amit.
This is Amit Yadav.
Hi.
People call him Photo Yadav. Don't know why. Okay, why people call you Photo Yadav? What is
My pet name is Photo.
Your pet name is Photo.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the pet name of your? Do you have sister or brother?
Yeah.
Okay, his name is pet name is what? Prem.
No. My elder brother's name is
Prem.
Nipu.
Okay, Niku.
And
Okay. Okay, I can see this poster here saying that will help you become the perfect man. Okay, what's that?
There's a poster. I was not aware of this key, how it came and all. It was earlier.
Okay, and
Inspiration.
Oh.
it's taken a lot turn, and you can see the posters of different calligraphy done by our people.
Can you explain what is this exactly, Bhavik?
These are the different words written in a calligraphy style by different people.
So
Like
was there some kind of workshop conducted?
Yeah, it was a calligraphy workshop conducted by our own people and by Mangesh, creative director.
So you do conduct such workshops regularly?
Yes, is my interview right now? No, thanks. Okay.
Okay, now we are heading to our backend team. So hi Vibha. Hi. She is a ASP.NET developer. So Vibha, would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Vibha. I have joined in recently, back 4 months back. I'm enjoying my work.
Okay, so what are you looking for in future in BC?
Yeah, very bright.
And regarding FWA, coming on FWA live?
Yeah, I'm liking it.
Okay.
It's time to move on. Okay, let's go to.
Hi, hello.
Hi, this is what's your name? Okay, his name is this. What's your name? Sanil. Okay, Sanil. I need to introduce everybody. Okay, so what are you doing right now?
Vivek,
He's
Vivek,
on the phone, I think.
Vivek, can I call you in 5 minutes? I'll just call you in 5 minutes. I'll just call you. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your time. Okay. Yeah, this is Amol. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi FWA.
I have to be.
Okay, Amol. So
Are you missing someone? Are you missing someone?
Yes. Yeah. I think you're missing someone. Yeah. I think yes, you are missing someone. Okay, so you're working here since how many years?
2 years.
How you feel? Great. Oh, awesome. Okay, let's move on to Shashi.
Hi.
She's a great programmer working on ESP, right? Work on ESP.net.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's this? Washroom? No.
It's a washroom.
Please don't
Okay.
open that.
No. We won't show you the washroom, and we show you the
It's our secret dark room.
secret dark room. Yes. And let's move on back to. Oh, okay.
There you can see artwork of the backend head, Sunil. Okay. So now where are we heading to, Bhavik? Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah.
So.
What's next?
Where do we go? Upstairs?
Yes.
Yeah, we did show.
Yeah. Who follow and follow. Come on.
So we are following Chaya and Weber.
Okay, and can we बताओ veranda सुनना? Have we interviewed these guys?
No, we have to. We'll go up and
So there is this way upstairs. So this is our recreation area.
Conference room.
And a conference room too.
It's,
Hey, you can show this.
you can see the
Some
clay
claymation
models
stuff.
made
Yeah,
by
this
our.
is- Yeah. Oops.
Oh.
Oops, sorry. I think I just broke one, but anyway, this is the claymation stuff that our animation team just loves working on all the time. These are some of the characters they made.
Says the exam time and people are sleeping here.
Yeah, can you get that properly? The bed. So this is like our friend who's sleeping at work. No, at school. Okay, no, at home. So this is like an attic area. It's very cute and cozy, where we have most of our workshops, most of our guest speakers come here and talk to our people, and we do fun stuff over here. And even our parties, like this is the place where we keep the food when we have a party, and our parties are had in the veranda here, which this guy will just yeah, hi guys.
Hi. You want to open this?
Yeah, so we can show this. And this is like a dungeon, no? This is where we lock up people in this cave.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
these two Narnia.
There are many skeletons inside. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा मेरे को.
This is, I don't know how bright is the light, the sunlight and all that, but I hope you can see it. This is where the place, this is the veranda where we just gather around, party around.
What did we learn? Which dance did we learn?
Smokings and salsa classes.
Yeah, we had salsa classes over here.
We also have rain dances over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas parties.
Christmas parties. Yeah.
Dahi and Rakhi, no?
And like Monica, who's our HR head, tries to have lots of fun sessions over here. So we meet here very often.
That's pretty good.
Yeah,
Now
I
we are
think we're
clueless
one
of what to
the
do.
lucky few in Mumbai to have a place like this where we can chill out.
Yeah, so let's go back.
I also want to show when we work late at night, these are the women that keep us company.
Still. So these are the women. So Elston, you want to say any experiences?
No, we can't say anything more.
Censored.
Okay, cool. And So, this me, Elston and Chaya, would you like to be in a frame and Bhavik
Yeah, but
too?
there are like about 6 more minutes left of our relay, I
so
think.
me, Elston,
what
Chaya
to
and
do.
Bhavik are the
No, yeah,
other,
and Ravish and
and Ravish, who's the guy holding this.
Rajkumar has Rajkumar come on
camera.
Yeah, this production unit is like cared for by Rajkumar, which means prince in Hindi.
Hari Kishan ji, sorry.
Rajkumar, आप कैमरा में आ जाइए. हाँ.
आपको
हाँ.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? ठीक है.
ठीक है. हाँ, तो आपके कैमरा में आके अच्छा लग रहा है. आपको पता है पूरी दुनिया के लोग देख रहे हैं आपको.
हाँ, कैसा लग रहा है आपको? कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? अच्छा
महसूस कर रहे हैं आप.
तो आप हम सबको अभी चाय पिलाएंगे. टीवी में हमने आपको इंटरव्यू कराया तो आपको आपके बीवी बच्चों को कुछ कहना कैमरा के थ्रू? नहीं, कहिए ना शर्माइए मत. आपको कुछ गाना, आपके गांव का कुछ गाना वाना आता है तो? हाँ, ठीक है. Thank you, Rajkumar.
Thank you, Rajkumar.
Thank you.
And this laptop is very heavy. But no.
Why don't we keep this down and we can like sort of?
Yeah, we should keep it down. And how do we end this properly?
Yeah, how do we end this? Yeah. Hey guys, I mean, I don't know if you all are liking our sessions, if any one of you is watching it like regularly, but if you would like to give us any feedback, please do that. Please, so you can send us feedback on our Facebook page.
On the Facebook page, on our Twitter page. Twitter is like twitter.com/bcwebwise, bcwebwise, WEBWISE. And Chaya, what about the running goal? Like, I'm growing a beard.
Yeah.
I'm trying to grow a beard. And let's see in future, FW episodes, if we can really spot like how can we go, what's your goal?
Yeah. Actually, I had a goal which I thought I wouldn't telecast, but then now that we have time, I might as well do it and not go back. Okay, now it's been like years that I'm trying to lose weight. And I used to gym, I used to do kickboxing, I mean, I do everything, and the weight is static. Universal problem, but now I made up my mind that I'm going to lose weight and I'm going to keep you all updated about it. As on date, today my weight was very embarrassing. It was 77 kgs. That's in pounds, around 145-50 pounds. Is it so? Yeah, around 150 pounds. Yeah. Okay, so like now I made up my mind because I love food. I love eating all kinds of cuisine. I just love eating food, but yeah, I also keep myself fit otherwise. So now let's see, it's just a mental programming. I'm not going to do anything more. Let's see, I'll update you every week if I've lost weight. And if you have any tips for me, and if you can pray for me, if you can like sort of share your mental thoughts that I must lose weight, please do that. And if you can share the thoughts also to me at my Twitter ID is bigfish009, bigfish009. That will be nice.
Yeah, because this is a social thing.
Yeah.
Everyone in the world that you're trying to lose weight.
Yeah.
So
I better do it. I think I will.
Too much.
Yes. Yeah. So that's my goal from here, and we have about 3 minutes, I think, or 2 minutes.
Less than all that. What did we show you?
And can somebody single us whenever it's like over?
What do we show you?
Yeah, tell her
Elston, who is our new host.
Yeah. He wants feedback on how he did. So
because he has to make a
career. Like good, bad, ugly. I'm sure not ugly, but good, bad. So please tell me.
Yeah. Also our new host for today we are Bhavik. And also Ravish.
Yes.
So that's Ravish and that's Bhavik for you. This is Ravish for you. So do let us know how you liked all of us. If you all want us to do something special for you, do please let us know.
And if you don't want anyone of us, then also let us know.
Yeah, don't let us know that because we're going to be there whether you like it or not.
So they should vote for the best host. Like who is the best host? Like among 1, 2, 3 or Shrikant, 4 people.
Yeah, and 5, right?
No, not me.
I mean that's not fair. You have to be there. No.
You don't want to be fail.
No, okay. So you can also send us your comments on who was the best host. So this was Vaibhav, who's now going to grow a beard, so he may not recognize.
And cut my hair. Like this is.
No, don't cut your hair. We will hope that he doesn't cut his hair because I like his hair. It's nice, Okay, and you tell us whom you liked. Of course, I don't think you all saw much of everybody else. You saw most of me last time, and you saw most of Elena last time.
Elena was quite nervous.
Yeah, and I did not tell her she cannot appear on camera, but that's what I believe she said today on FWTV. I did not say she cannot appear. I said that we're going to do a live third-degree treatment for her, which we did not do this Friday, but we're going to do that one of the future Fridays because she was on the screen most of the time, and a lot of BC Webwise team members are very upset that it was her face that showed on screen.
And we are obviously kidding.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So cool. Do we say bye-bye to everyone?
Yeah, I think we'll start saying bye. I think we have about a few seconds left or a minute left. We still have 2 minutes?
We still have 2 minutes left? Oh shit.
Okay,
so
so...
What do we do?
I think I can give you a weather report about Bombay. It's like very humid over here. It rains sometimes, but otherwise it's very hot. We sweat a lot, which is very annoying. We need to be in like air condition all the time. If you step out even for like a few seconds, you're going to be sweating and coming back. So that's the weather report from Mumbai. Yeah, and also by next Friday, I think we will be ready to telecast. Also move over to our Delhi branch and show you, let you meet our Delhi people because you haven't really met them till now. And they are also very eager to say hi to all of you.
Yeah, and now that you've met every single person in the office, so tell us what we should do for the next week. Next Friday, what we should do. You know, you can tell us like whether we can shoot this in black and white, whether we can like do a headstand or whatever. So yeah, we are open to thoughts and ideas, and the best thought we'll probably do it, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So
or probably we may just not do it. Whichever way, but do please.
Whichever, yeah, but do let us know because we are quite excited and we look forward to this every Friday. Yeah. And
essentially, to be true, we are out of ideas. We don't know what to do every Friday.
Yeah.
So any help from you would be great.
Yeah, we are crowdsourcing. And like how much we always run out of time. But
like we don't want to just show the camera with us working. I think we won't be watching us then. So we want to do something. Yeah.
Yo. Woo! Hi guys, this is Abhishek, the animation director of this team. Woo! Say hi. Hi guys. Hi.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello everyone.
Camera
Okay, Banga.
monitor move.
So let me introduce to each and every member of the team. This is Kishore. He works on the clay animation and clay modeling. He does all the character designing works related to clay modeling and animation. We have his clay models over here. We focus this in a minute. Hi, this is Santosh. Santosh does a lot of cell animation and he's a pre-production artist and whole and soul, core heart of the team. He's the most elder member of this team and he's been working since say 6 years, Santosh. Okay, and yeah, he has sketched out something. You want to show something to us? He has sketched out. He sketches really good. He sketches at the speed of thought. Welcome.
And this is live, live. Where is the camera? So this is Shrikant, my name is Vaibhav, and the guy who's standing in the middle of us and looking quite excited is Elston, and he's gonna be my new host because Shrikant's hand is paining. Why? Shrikant, you exercised last night?
Yeah, no, not last night. I was holding the laptop right now, and my hand is kind of hurting. So Elston is gonna be the host now with Vaibhav.
Because I didn't do anything last night.
Yeah. Elston
or any other night for that matter. Okay, cool. Elston.
Bye guys.
And how do I start this? Elston. We are moving the camera and then we have Abhishek. So we are just sitting on the floor because we have nothing to sit on.
No. We did start off with individual this thing. So I get back again to the introduction part. Let me introduce Sam, Samir Kulkarni.
Hi everyone.
Okay, this guy has worked over many online illustration and good animation campaigns, and he is also working since 4 to 5 years, and he is also the heart and soul of the team. Anything else, Sam?
No. Just introduce everyone, then we'll take over.
Okay. This is Vivek Dagwale. He is the key animator in our team. Any illustration and any animation work, any tight positions, we go to Vivek, and he just comes out with good sketches and he helps us out. So he is a very cracking individual player of our team. This is Pankaj Kamri. Hello. He also is a good animator. He keenly introduces special effects and anything related to effects on his fingertips. In Flash, yeah, of course. And he is the most humorous comedian of our team. So yeah, that is Suspense comedy. And last but not the least, our team leader Rahul Patil. Rahul. Woo! Hi people. Hi. Okay, so he's like been working with us for say 6 years. Yes. And we have learned a lot from Rahul. He's like the main guy who handles each and every project. Our entire company like goes to him. His main specialized work is in FX. You can catch him on AFX and me also. You can catch out me also on artauras.com. So please grab us our work on animation portal. Check us our works on animation portal BC Web Boys. You'll get a flavor of our work and schedules over there. So that's it from the animation.
And today is big day for me. My brother gifted me this iPhone.
Woo! Woo! Thank you, brother. Thanks. Okay.